In this segment, I'm going to demonstrate several of the features of Sercato search. Let's say I'm interested in Adidas bags. I see in the search result set we have 4 items, and these look relevant, but I really don't have much clear visibility into why these specific products are showing. So we provide a feature that we call match spotting that tells us why these products matched. And by matched, I mean the connection between parts of the customer search phrase and information that we have in the product data. And we show this in a couple of different ways. We have information at the top here that applies to the entire search result set. And then I can go in and investigate at the level of an individual item in the results why that specific item is showing. So here I see that Adidas from the search phrase was matched on Adidas Originals in the product data in the brand name attribute, and bags from the search phrase was matched on shopping bag in the product data as a value of a product noun attribute. And altogether there's one product that matched this way. I also see that there are 3 items in the result set that matched in the same way on the brand name, but in the data the value was airline bag that was matched with bags from the search phrase. So we have matches 2 different ways. The other thing that we see here is a link between a particular part of the search phrase and something in the data, and that link is made with a linguistic relationship. And we have a couple of different kinds of relationships here. We have a brand synonym that links between what the customers think this brand name is and what it actually is in the data. And then this second kind of linguistic relationship is a link between a broad term like bags and a much more specific type of a bag, in this case either airline bag or shopping bag. And these are what we call hypernym relationships, which provide a link between a broad term and a narrower term. So we see here at the top this what we call match spotting information that applies to the entire result set. But I might want to go in and look at a particular item to see why did this one show. So we mouse over the Show Why Matched label, and I get to see for this item, this is a case where Adidas was matched on Adidas Originals as a brand name, and bags matched on shopping bag in the data as a product noun. Whereas one of these other items is an example where bags matched on airline bag in the data. So this gives us a lot more visibility into why specific products are showing, and is very helpful for trying to diagnose problems, like say for example when something shows that seems surprising. Let me try another example. Let's say rather than an example here of a brand name and a product noun or a product type, let's say I'm using a color term. So let's say I'm interested in blue bags. So here we see in our match spotting information that as before bags matched on airline bag, but now blue from the search phrase is matching on the same term blue in the data as a value of an attribute called swatch colors. But we break down the attributes here into 2 kinds. We have product level attributes and SKU level attributes. So here's an example of a product which is probably available in different colors, and the different colors have different SKU IDs. And of course what the customer purchases is one of the specific SKUs. But typically what we see in the search results are products, and each one of these products may be available in different colors. So what we see here is information matching both at the product level and at the SKU level in order to provide a match with what the customer is looking for. So this actually exposes an interesting feature of the search system that is able to match on values in the data both at the product level and at the SKU level. So overall what we see here in this match spotting information is information that helps us understand much better and much more clearly why it is that products are showing in the result set. Thank you.